Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. So if you want to delete your Facebook because you don't want to play or you don't want to join the Facebook anymore, you can go to the setting button. You just tap three stripe at the top of your screen, this one, and then try to search the setting and privacy, this one, and then you can tap settings and go to the account center here, and then you can go to the you can tap a personal details here and go to the account ownership and control. So you can deactive or delete. You can tap this temporarily deactive or permanently delete your account and profile. Here you can tap this, and you have to learn about this. If you deactive account, your account is a hiatus or deactive temporary, and your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name photo will be removed from most things you've shared. But if you want to delete permanently because you don't have to play, you don't enjoy play Facebook anymore, you can or when you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you've shared on Facebook. Your main profile, your messenger, and all of your message will also be deleted. So if it's okay, you can tap continue and go on. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe as well as the text button below. See you in the next video.